how to undo in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the undo function in Notion. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open notion.so in your browser. If you're not already logged in, just hit the login button in the top right corner. You'll see a few options, but let's keep it simple. Click on Continue with Google. Once you're inside your workspace, go ahead and open up any page. Doesn't matter which one, we're just using it to demo the undo function. Now, type something in a text block. Just write a quick sentence or a few random words, anything. This is just to show how the undo works. Here comes the magic. If you're on a Windows PC, press Ctrl+Z. If you're on a Mac, hit CMD+Z. Yeah, whatever you just typed is gone. This quick keyboard shortcut will save you every time. You can press it multiple times too to undo several steps. And that's it. You just learned how to undo in Notion. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips just like this. Thanks for watching.